Stop wasting money on smart thermostats that are too complicated for your life. You think you're upgrading, but you're just buying frustration. In 2026, getting a smart thermostat shouldn't feel like launching a rocket, especially if you're new to all this. That's why we're breaking down the absolute best smart thermostats specifically for beginners, making sure you get simple control, easy savings, and zero headaches. But before we dive into the countdown, let me just tell you, our number one pick is shockingly simple, incredibly affordable, and perfect for anyone who just wants it to work without a fuss. You won't believe how easy it is to get started. Coming in at number 5 on our list of best smart thermostats for beginners is the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. Now, don't get me wrong, the Ecobee Premium is an incredible piece of tech, packed with features. For beginners, its standout feature is the included room sensor, which helps you manage temperatures where people actually are, not just where the thermostat is mounted. This means more consistent comfort without needing to learn complex zoning. It's for the beginner who values comprehensive control but doesn't mind a slightly steeper initial learning curve for big long-term gains. The one honest flaw? It's arguably the most expensive on this list, and its sheer number of advanced features, while powerful, might be a bit overwhelming for someone who truly just wants set it and forget it. Simplicity right out of the box. Moving down our list, if you want something that balances advanced features with a relatively user-friendly experience, then our number 4 pick, the Honeywell Home T9, might be your perfect match. What makes the T9 great for beginners is its intuitive touchscreen interface, which is incredibly clear and easy to navigate, much like using a smartphone. Plus, it also offers remote room sensors to address hot and cold spots, just like the Ecobee, but in a package that feels a bit more straightforward from the get-go. This is ideal for beginners who are comfortable with modern interfaces and appreciate precision temperature control across their home. Its one honest flaw, however, is that while the main thermostat is easy, setting up and optimizing multiple room sensors can add a layer of complexity that some absolute beginners might find daunting at first. Alright, let's keep going. Coming in at number 3, and a definite fan favorite for many, is the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. The Nest Learning Thermostat shines for beginners because, well, it learns. You interact with it for a few days, adjusting the temperature as you normally would, and it starts to build a schedule around your habits. You barely have to program anything yourself. Its iconic dial interface is also incredibly simple and satisfying to use. This is perfect for the beginner who wants smart features without ever having to dig into complex menus or programming schedules. However, its one honest flaw is that while it learns your schedule, the initial setup and connecting it to Wi-Fi can sometimes be a bit finicky for true tech novices, and getting it perfectly integrated into a smart home ecosystem can require a bit more effort than its competitors. As we near the top, if you're looking for an incredible balance of smart features, a great app, and solid value, then our number 2 pick for beginners is the Emerson Sensi Touch. What makes the Sensi Touch fantastic for new users is its incredibly intuitive and well-designed mobile app. It walks you through installation step by step, and managing your schedule, fan, and settings is crystal clear, making it super accessible even if you've never used a smart thermostat before. It also has a clean touchscreen right on the device. This thermostat is for the beginner who wants full smartphone control and a reliable, easy-to-understand experience without any hidden complexities. The one honest flaw? While the app is excellent, the physical unit's touchscreen can sometimes feel a little less responsive than more premium options on this list. And finally, our number 1 pick for the best smart thermostat for beginners in 2026, the one that absolutely nails simplicity, ease of use, and incredible value, the Amazon Smart Thermostat. This thing is designed for one purpose: to be incredibly easy to install, incredibly easy to use, and incredibly affordable. If you already have an Alexa device, Setup is a breeze, practically plug and play. You can control it entirely with your voice, which is the ultimate beginner-friendly feature. It uses Alexa's hunches to make smart adjustments without you lifting a finger, delivering energy savings without any complicated programming. This thermostat is for the absolute beginner who wants smart home functionality without the steep price tag, complicated features, or complex installation. Its one honest flaw: it's primarily designed for Alexa users. If you're heavily invested in Google Home or Apple HomeKit, its integration isn't as seamless, making it a less ideal choice for those ecosystems. But for everyone else, this is the easiest entry point into smart climate control, period. There you have it, the best smart thermostats of 2026, perfect for beginners looking to save energy and upgrade their comfort without any of the hassle. Don't forget, if you want to snag any of these at the best prices available right now, check the pinned comment and description below. We've got direct links to help you out. Thanks for watching, and stay comfortable.